Hello there, Michael Prince here with FamilyTechBlog.com. I want to talk to you about the hidden location preferences in iOS. You'll see I click Privacy to get started. I noticed that my pictures on my phone were still having my location tagged in them, even though I had turned it off in the camera. So you did that through Privacy, then Location Settings, and then you scroll down to the bottom there and you'll see System Services. It's going to need your thumbprint to get into that. And I turned off location access on every system service thing that I didn't think was necessary. HomeKit, location-based alerts, ads, and suggestions. And then I went to significant locations at the bottom. This is what affects what's on your camera and your photos and things. So I turned that off. If you see I turned that on here real quick, you can see all the cities that I had been at that it had tagged, even though I had the location data turned off on my camera. So check us out at FamilyTechBlog.com. And thanks.